Russian President Vladimir Putin has challenged the United States to present to the UN evidence that Syria attacked rebels with chemical weapons near Damascus. Mr. Putin said it would be utter nonsense for Syria's government to provoke opponents with such attacks. The United States President Barack Obama says he is considering military action against Syria after intelligence reports that 1,429 people were killed on 21 August. UN weapons inspectors have now left Syria and arrived in the Netherlands. They are taking the evidence they gathered during 4 days of site visits to the Organization for the Prevention of Chemical Weapons, in The Hague. The samples are thought to include soil, swabs from munitions, blood and hair from the victims and, experts say, possibly even flesh from dead bodies. The United States says hundreds of children were among those killed in the suspected chemical weapons attacks, which it blames on the Syrian government. Syria says that the United States claim is full of lies, and says rebels carried out the attacks. The United States President Barack Obama said on Friday that the United States was planning a limited, narrow military response that would not involve boots on the ground.